Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I have a 2022 Opel Grandland and I will show you how to lower the back seats. Now this is quite easy to do. All you have to do, there is like a small lever right here on top of the seat. You want to pull it towards yourself and that will unlock the seat, and then you can pull this portion of the seat all the way down. You can get much more cargo space. Same thing goes with this seat as well. I can't lower it because I have a baby seat here, but I will show you. There is this lever again which you have to pull down and lower the seat, and that's pretty much everything. Very easy to do. Now to install the seat back up, all you have to do, you have to push it back in so it locks in place, and that's it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.